Guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use keyboard shortcuts with physical keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. So now that I have connected my physical keyboard to my device, now first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on General Management. In here, tap on Physical Keyboard and swipe up to go down. In here, tap on Keyboard Shortcuts. And here are all of the different keyboard shortcuts that you could use. For example, if you want to go back to the home screen, you press on the Window key or the Command key and Enter key. You can tap on the back on the Escape key to go back to the previous screen. You can tap on Alt Tab to open up the recent screen, Alt F4 to close the current app, and the keyboard shortcuts is Command /. And to show the notification panel, you can press on the Command N button. And if you swipe over, this is for the system. And if you swipe over, these are the shortcuts for apps. So let's try it. So if you're going to press on to go back to the home screen, we're going to press on the Window key or the Command key and Enter. So let's try it. I'm just going to put a keyboard here, perhaps just there, and then Command Enter. You can see we'll go back to the home screen. And the back key, so if I press on the Escape key, it will go back to the previous screen. Okay, so if you want to open up the recent screen, we can press on Alt Tab, and that will open up the recent screen like this, and you need to hold it. And what else can you do? You can close the current app by pressing on Alt F4, and that will close. Okay, so because we are now in the pop-up, perhaps Alt F4 does not work at the moment. So I'm just going to see if it's working. So it's not working. Maybe if I open up another app, for example this one here, so you can see if I'm opening up another app, that will work. Alt F4 will close the current app. And we can open up the notifications by pressing on the Command N. So Command N will open up the notification panel. And that's it. So that is how you can use the keyboard shortcuts with a connected physical keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.